some of us just want to know. So, if you are a Ken fan, we people who are not card-bearing people, but aligns with the NPP because of your holistic impact in Mother Ghana, we are interested to get to know the bottom of this statement. What does your candidate mean by when they were in power? We want to ask the Ken camp. Were you not NPP members when the NPP was in power? So what does your candidate meant by when they were in power, they couldn't threaten him? Was he not part of the power? Is he not the person we had backed hundreds of contracts, leveraged some to his baby mamas and wives, leveraged some to his children, created accounts in his children, 22 children's names? So what does he mean by when they were in power? If he was never in power with NPP members, we want to know, how did he earn all of these contracts as a non-party members? You guys owe us that clarity, because we want to know. If today Ken can go to campaign ground and set himself aside, yet you tell us that he alone backed contract upon contract that could have gone down to the grassroots to actually touch everybody. We want to know, who is Ken in NPP? That's the biggest question today. So we are looking, who is Ken in NPP? Who was Ken when NPP was in power? Where was Ken when NPP was in power? Because this is very serious. For us to hear that he backed that number of contracts and he goes to campaign ground and stand there to say when they were in power, we are interested to know, who were they? Who are they? Who are they that were in power? So any sensible Ken person that can come and throw more light on what he meant by when they were in power, they couldn't threaten him. We want to know, where was Ken when the NPP was in power? Who was he? Who was he? You see, NPP, God used Kennedy Agyapong Delhi to prove to you that if you are counting your members in the NPP, he should be the last person you count as part of you. Everything he said on that campaign is God setting him up to expose you people, you the NPP grassroots, to know the kind of person that he is. With time without number come on this app to tell you people that the high time you know that Ken is not an NPP member, the better for the whole NPP party. And let me tell you something. All of you, this grassroots, you've been part of this party. Ken has enjoyed all the benefits that he has to enjoy. So, he doesn't care if he destroyed this party. He's already set up his machine with the party that he's currently working for. And he does not care. If you all wake up one day and you don't have a party anymore, the party has served him. He's gotten his ex gratia. Just lower the gas. He's gotten his ex gratia. And he's got nothing to lose. Inti na obi na no kase party no mean frame so metete. And every day in, day out in his campaign, God is actually using him to further reveal to all NPP members that you are living in delusion, actually thinking that Ken is campaigning for the betterment of NPP. All his steps is directed towards a party that he's gotten everything he wants.
Ring road, you know. You see, from Santas roundabout to Ahonjo, Inner Ring Road.
The Inner Ring Road starts from Angunaga Junction through airport. No, I see a friend says some roundabout. No, I see Sufu line.
Yeah.
Now I to see Santase.
Santase.
Now they call Ahonjo.
Yeah.
Now I could see Ahinsan. Now some maybe see Angunaga. That is the Inner Ring Road. So now Bekaya Kufuor, President Kufuor when started that project. And I could afford to buy, you know. Kufuor the ninety nine could two, washers he could two, and I got for carpenter for now only free. And I'm called Chocoba, you know. Kufuor started this. At the time, Dr. Richard and in a year, Minister for Roads. Ye be ye won check crowd KTI. Oh, KTI. Senior na Ring Road was supposed to be. What I say, and the Kufuor crumble the cover buy. A Kufuor the buy na all bet to us all. And only so I mean interchange, you know.
Okay.
So, or no,
a part of
it. Then we could see, say, Sufu line there. Now, President Kufuor Roma, yeho. Ye cry, and NDC buy, must be a crack so Kufuor Dubai, ye more or less a complete. What we do, Santasen Swa, now also interchangeable. Santasen ne, Sufu line, sorry, I hold you runabout. Sir, and only the and yet big interchange. Now, it's going to be a flyover like I inside Hodian. So, and Ninano. In fact, sometimes near Hodian, a loan package back and a coji and a covering you.
Not ya loan.
A bar parliament that
I'm a parliament at
Agyapong. Just like Swami Diano. So, you dear Hokobo, I am a funo. And I feel, be almost cano. He wants to look at the outcome of your engagement with IMF. No, say Bibia, Kosuyama, IMF for Abema Krata, and the two so say the area no. So, if the IMF gives you a clean bill of health, I think for this can be by me.
Okay,
what you say, and Sana ho editing.
Dr. Casey to force finance minister statement or the buy say afina was sign near a disicano amaeno. You are saying Senate Parliament adhere to that
to finance minister obey minority leader. Let him go and check the records in Parliament. Let him go and check the records in Parliament. As a I don't know. If Bia, any IMF engagement. This will be so more busy. You can say, okay, busy we are check and to make a new one. What you say? You remember say you know more quarter and so buy no Japan. What you say? And he said, what can was I could team near the other bar? Because don't make it appear say a new project. What you say? Okay, so that's the whole thing.
Crofura forest money at the adenomsombe. Omo de ba komra se bedwam on the 14th of October no makwa ko remove sade no kwahye na nwumre mi bisa ne se Ghana fo huye Ghana fo witness ye se forest akese e wo man mu ha na military any police airborne ho ban no a bra change of government by in the eastern region Ahafo region Western North, Asante region, Eko Bibia ni honum, forest yeda honum no. We all saw how our NDC vagabond boys taking over. So mu party na yede aba. And then the day meeting he koswa on mampanyini deliberately. Any fanfare, any fame. Yenye no mo amanfo nkate ye bibia fa ho no mena mo kasai no farasia ochihene abo ho ban over the years ma MPP aban a man support with the police and the military no NDC and mabunu a take over e wo ochi asase so chebi asase so o magye forest nafa enye obi a ukwa ho no ma NDC vigilante Azoka boys militants NDC some NDC national officers ɛna de saa mmeranteɛ yi akɔ akɔgu forest mu apam ɔkye yene task force afa forest na me no kasa sisi ayi wɔn maane. You go to Ahafo ukodra Ahafo region ye ni reserve forest obi a obeka cho se Bono region ye wo forest bi a ya reserve da ho agalamse nkoso bi asa nipa no nko kante se mere oboa ukwa Bono region galamse fuo etimi sora wiakete enkrofo nya ado omo ye enkrofo cabbage omo ye na wiakete o woma dwi cabbage afuo no about 5 acres ya tuagu na kuani ni gina ho esu epegefo galamse no omo waso sisi a omo ye adwuman okwa Bono region obi nkurumafuo 3 acres owo afuo mo atenkuruma na galamse for the excavator koso adwini nyina gu se but the assassin ama ye say ye meye galamse na osu